Hi everyone. So now we are going to look at how we can clear the ith bit. Okay. So basically, if we have a number like let's say 1101, and I want to delete this bit and I want to make it 0. Okay. I want to clear the ith bit. So I is 2 for this example. Let's say. So what I need to do, I need to create a number in which only this bit is 0, only this bit is 0 and rest everything else is going to be 1. So I need this as 0 and rest everything is 1. Okay, so can you guess how we can get this particular kind of a number? Okay, so one thing we know is the ith, we want to work on the ith bit, so we can create a mask using 1 left shift I. So it will give us something like this 0 1 0 0. Okay, that is fine. And how do we get this number? So it is nothing but it's a knot of this number, so bitwise knot. So what we need to do, we need to do a negation here, and once we are getting this, what we can do, we can do and. If we do a and, all these bits will be preserved, so we will get 101, and since we have a 0 here, so 0 and something, it is going to get 0. So that's it. So this is going to clear the ith bit. So if I show you the mask now, the mask is going to be nothing but knot of 1 left shift I, and what you need to do, you need to update the value of n. So you need to say n equals to n and mask, and we are done. So instead of calling set ith bit, I'm going to call clear ith bit. I give n and I, and let us clear the, so this number is what, 1 2 4 8. This number is 13. So if I say, let's say n is 13 and I want to clear the second bit. If n is 13 and I want to clear the second bit, I should get a number which is 9012. Yes. So let's see. So I want to clear the second bit. Okay, I need to run this code. Build this code first. If I clear the second bit, I'm getting an output which is exactly equal to 9. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you, and this is how we can clear any bit in a number.